Hello, I'm Sharik. I wanted to talk to you today again about some natural remedies to fight off viral or bacterial infections. Specifically, the coronavirus epidemic that's going on requires us to be more wary of our immune system. And as I've said before, it's a holistic approach in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, which means sleep, good food, exercise, breathing, posture, um, with psyche and social life. You need also to watch your intake of certain herbal remedies or medicines. I would also call them supplements. So whichever form you want to take them in, I will list them, and then I'll go specifically into how I prefer taking them, and also a little bit I'll touch on the history of them. So I'll list my favorite first, which is ginger, lemon, garlic, honey, neem, black seed, turmeric, onion, green tea, cinnamon, cacao, licorice, and then herbs or green leafy vegetables in general, and nuts. Okay, so this is a list. You can compile it for yourself. Try to use them on a daily basis as much as possible. Now, ginger, as I've said to you before, you can use it almost medicinally in its raw form to chew it, because its juices contain strong antioxidants, anti-inflammatory substances, antiseptics, antibiotics. So you can really use it very much twice or three times a day to burn off any pollution, any viral infections, any bacterial infections specifically, and the mucus that builds up after sucking that juice. You need to get rid of it. You need to spit it out or cough it out in a tissue. Ginger has been in use since the Middle Ages, as we know, in Europe. It was traded from Southeast Asia, and it was kept over winter alongside with cinnamon in the castle chambers, and was given to the public to fight off cold, the common cold. Its taste is very strong, obviously. Most people like it diluted down in a tea or in a meal, but I would recommend really using it in thin slices. Its taste is very strong, so it will burn, but you'll get used to it, and it's really beneficial. It's very useful once you do. Obviously, ginger tea is also very good, a good form of taking ginger. Lemon, in general, citrus fruits, which contain a lot of vitamin C. That's the main beneficent ingredient of lemon, but there are also bioflavonoids, especially in its skin, the lemon peel. So either lemon or lime, you can use them to sprinkle over your food. They enrich in the taste, and they also help you to lose weight, but mainly they give you a saturation of vitamin C in your food, which helps you to uptake minerals, to hydrolyze your collagen, make your hair and nail bones stronger, and your joints. It helps you to strengthen your white blood cells in your immune system. It is a good antioxidant, so it fights off free radicals, pollutants. It protects your cell membranes. So all in all, very useful to have vitamin C constantly, because your body expels the excess vitamin C through the kidneys. So you need to take it steadily, constantly over time, in a form where you will, for example, eat fruit, because they contain fiber. They give you a slow release of vitamin C, and that gives you a steady saturation over a long period of time. So it's good to have a high level of vitamin C constantly. And some people, as I do, use vitamin C powder as a supplement, just in case you don't get enough fruit in your diet. But fruit are beneficial. You need to eat them regularly, even if you take vitamin C supplements. Fruit have a lot of minerals and fiber and other useful substances. Okay. The next one I want to talk to you about is garlic. Garlic also has a lot of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances. It has a strong taste. It has a lot of sulfur as well. Some people are actually allergic against garlic, but I would chop it raw into the salad, for example, or into the food. Also, you can crush it and pour a little bit of boiling water over it and inhale it in order to fight off silent infections of the sinus. So if you have a runny nose, do that very early on. Okay, ginger, lemon, garlic at an early stage, alongside with honey, which is also antiseptic. help you to fight off the common cold, but also viral and bacterial infections in general. Aid your immune system, your lymphatic system, your lymph nodes. They will expel all the dead matter after it's been fought off by these strong substances on your immune system in conjunction. The other ones that I want to talk to you about are probably not as well known in Europe, but they are also of tropical origin, mainly Asian origin, African origin. They are the neem tree, so you can use the neem tree branch or leaves. They're used in skincare products. They're also used a lot in for hair shampoo. But neem is also a very strong anti-malarial, antiviral substance. Okay, it has chloroquine, which is the natural form of hydroxychloroquine, which has been recommended as a medicinal antiviral substance to fight off coronavirus infections. So I would use neem in its raw form as a branch to chew on. It's also used in toothpaste, by the way, and you can buy organic neem powder as a supplement. Another one that I would like to mention is black seed. It's very strongly present in the Ayurvedic and Islamic traditions, alongside with ginger, obviously, and neem as well. But the black seed in small doses, 7 seeds, literally little seeds, or 5 seeds for children, will help you, if you take them in the morning alongside with honey, to fight off any viral infection throughout the day, okay? In small quantities, because they contain also chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, nivaquine, strong anti-malarial substances. It's somehow very reassuring to find remedies against maladies, against illnesses, in the plants local to those sicknesses. So, for example, in the regions where you have malaria, you will find antimalarial substances in the plants. So, you might want to ponder on that and on creation. Another one I want to mention, and it's been popular in Western culture recently due to its anti-inflammatory capacities, and it also helps you to fight muscle fatigue and muscle ache, is turmeric. So the curcumin in the turmeric is very good to fight off the muscle ache after excessive workout, for example. So turmeric, like garlic, a root, and also ginseng, I would want to mention in the conjunction, they are very, they're roots, and they are very strong in aiding the immune system. Okay, so ginger, turmeric, and ginseng. Turmeric, you can use the powder as a spice, but also you can chew, just like you can chew ginger, the root. You can make a tea, but also you can drink it in hot milk at night to fight off infection and inflammations, all right? And the muscle ache, which is also a kind of inflammation. Another very commonly known one is onion. We use onion as a spice. Obviously, it's good for that, but I've heard that onion can be used in its sliced form in a plate. If you leave it overnight in your room, it will pollute the bacteria in the atmosphere, but also some people use it inside a sock under the foot overnight to cure yourself from the cold. I personally haven't tried that, but I would give it a try any day. If I have a hefty fever or cold again, why not? Green tea has been used for millennia as a in its tea form. Obviously, you can use it in other ways, the green tea plant, and it's the same as the black tea plant, by the way, or white tea. It's the same plant in its different stages. But green tea is the very young shoot, and it's very strong in antioxidants. I would drink green tea also to get a radiant skin, and obviously it tastes very good, and it keeps you, alert, awake, but not too awake like coffee. Coffee is always good during the day, but green tea is good for the evenings, and it also gives you a comfortable sleep. Another very important anti-inflammatory and antioxidant remedy is cinnamon. The cinnamon stick or powder can be used as a spice in the tea, but also to chew it. It's very sweet. It's got natural carbohydrates, so it has some sort of sugar in it, but it's not that kind of sugar that would make you put on weight. Okay, so with honey and cinnamon, I'd be careful and also another one I'm going to mention, licorice and cocoa. They have a lot of carbohydrates, so use them in moderation. Cocoa, I've mentioned it. Cocoa also a very nice drink in hot milk, but very good anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substance. So I would eat all in all these together alongside with licorice, for example. You can chew the wood just like cinnamon. You can use it as a sweetener. They are also very good painkillers, by the way. Okay. Last but not least, I want to mention herbs. May it be thyme, rosemary, cayenne pepper, basil. All those herbs, they're really good because they're rich in iron and antioxidants. All green leafy vegetables are. Spinach, for example, cabbage, very high in collagen. And last but not least, alongside with a healthy diet, if you're hungry and you want to snack, I make the same mistake. I eat too much chocolate. Which has cocoa, but it has a lot of sugar the way we consume it nowadays. So instead of chocolate, why not think of nuts? Cashew nuts, almonds, peanuts, Brazil nuts. All those nuts are really healthy. They're rich in omega-3, 6, and 9 unsaturated fatty acids. They aid your immune system because they aid the white cell synthesis, and they strengthen your ligaments, joints, heart, your brain, and they're very healthy snack. They also have a lot of fiber in form of pectin. So there are three kinds of fiber: pectin, cellulose, and pectin, cellulose, and then there's the I've forgotten the third one, but that's strong in mushrooms and shellfish. Okay, so cellulose is a fiber of plant. Nuts have pectin, and they're good for a slow release of energy. And well, yes, so that's summing up. All in all, what I wanted to give you along with a healthy diet as a idea for a good supplemented ailment during these coronavirus crisis times. You might want to watch your intake of these kind of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances. Take care, be safe, all the best. And if you liked my video, then please look up my name, Sharik Ali Khan, on Google, and also put afterwards science, and you will find all my audiobooks on Audible, Kindle, Amazon, and iTunes. And also, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.